this activity is called rolling castles. And this is what you're going to need. You're going to need some kind of balls or objects you want the students to be throwing. Scooters, in, noodles, in, cone, and one last thing, tow ropes. I don't know if they still make these. I got them from a catalog, couldn't tell you which one. You can also use long jump ropes and have it looped around so it makes it a little shorter. You can use nylon ropes or some kind of something for the students to use to pull. They're going to have a partner. One person is going to sit crisscross. The other one's going to pull. So the object of the game is their partner is going to pull them around the gym, and they're going to come across the ball. Pretend my partner's pulling me, not my leg. Okay, so my partner's pulling me. I find the ball. I'm trying to throw the ball as my partner pulls me to knock down other students' cones. All right? Now, my partner can get a ball as we move and hand it to me, or I can grab one as my partner is pulling me. Anytime that our cone falls down, we are out. Now, because of space and how many we have, what we do when we're out is we have 40 kids or so playing this activity. We have the kids take their equipment out to the sideline where you can see all my other limos over there. And they leave it. They go to the end of the line and they wait their turn. The line moves very quickly. The other thing I like, because they're pulling each other, but I only have about 12 to 15 out there, not a lot of kids are running into each other. If you have a big space and you have enough to do this activity with all your kids, just have them switch roles and then keep going. So then those that are waiting in line, wait, and the next time they come out, I sat down, so this next time I come out, I'm going to pull my partner around. So now my partner sits, and I'm the puller and handing the ball and all that good stuff. The kids seem to like it. I hope yours do as well. I'm Coach Frill reminding you to keep on moving.